In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an attribute block. By the end, you'll know how to build a reusable block that prompts for information each time you insert it, perfect for things like part numbers, titles, or dates. Start by opening your drawing and making sure the geometry you want to include is ready. Take a quick moment to clean up any stray lines, confirm everything is on the correct layer, and zoom into the area where the block will live. The cleaner your source objects, the cleaner your block will be. Next, open the Attribute Definition tool by typing attdf in the command line and pressing Enter. This brings up the Attribute Definition dialog where you'll define what information the block will ask for. In the tag field, enter a short unique identifier such as part no. Tags typically avoid spaces and stay concise because they act like the attribute's name inside the block. In the prompt field, type the question AutoCAD should display when someone inserts the block, for example, enter part number. The default field is optional. Use it if there's a typical value you want to appear automatically, which the user can accept or overwrite. This can save time and standardize entries. When you're satisfied with those details, click OK. Your cursor will now let you place the attribute in the drawing. Snap it to a logical spot relative to your geometry. Object snaps are your friend here. Align the attribute neatly so it looks intentional and reads clearly when the block is inserted. Now select everything that should be included in the block, including the attribute you just placed. With those items selected, type block and press Enter to open the block definition dialog. Give your block a clear descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Then choose a base point, click Pick Point and snap to a meaningful location, such as a corner, center, or insertion point you'll use repeatedly. This base point controls how the block attaches to other geometry when you insert it. Make sure Convert to Block is selected so the selected objects become a single block instance in your drawing. Click OK and your attribute block is created. From now on, when you insert this block, AutoCAD will prompt you with the message you wrote, and it will store the value under the tag you defined. If you used a default, it will appear automatically and can be edited on the spot. That's all there is to it. A clean, reusable block that captures consistent data every time you place it.